27,000 kilometers with my Porsche 911 991.1 Carrera 4. All-wheel drive, wide body, continuous, rear light goodness, manual gearbox of course, and yeah, a really cool spec. I have to say I really fell in love with this car even more. I drove it a lot over the last 11 months. As you can maybe tell, if you look at my rear window, it has been to many beautiful places, starting with my first road trip of the year to the Gerlers Pass, to the Austrian Alps, then a second road trip also to the Austrian Alps where we took the car up the Großglockner. I drove the McLaren 750S and I gave this car to one of my best friends to join me on the trip, to also have a camera car. That was a really amazing experience. Yeah, then we drove it to the Swiss Alps, which was, I'd say, the most important drive of my life. I'm, as some of you guys maybe know, now engaged, and yeah, I took the car to the Swiss Alps for a weekend trip. The idea was to surprise her with her absolute dream car in the Swiss Alps, the 997 Turbo, and we took the cars up to a very iconic place on the System Pass, and the rest is history. So that is another amazing experience, amazing memory that I now share with this car. And yeah, the next cool road trip was, of course, the Dolomites road trip, where we took the car for 4 days across the Dolomites, and yeah, that was just as well an absolutely amazing experience. And I should not forget to mention that the car has been at least 30 to 40 times to the Black Forest, so yeah, I also got a Black Forest sticker. To sum it up, I had a beautiful time over the past 11 months. Yeah, next thing we're gonna do now is gonna go and take it out for a little spin. As you might have seen in the intro already, I found a really beautiful snow-covered road and it looks absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful here, and the car with its all-wheel drive system works really well here. It's insane how much grip this car has, also in wet conditions, in pretty much every condition. This car is really a true all-rounder. No matter what you want to do with it, no matter if the weather is cold, if it's sunny, if it's rainy, you can do pretty much everything you want with it. It's truly that good. And without much further talking, I think it's time to jump into the car, and you guys have seen the beautiful road here, take it out for a little spin, and then yeah, when I'm done, I'm gonna look for a warm place to warm me up a little bit. It's freezing right now, it's -4 degrees, and yeah, perfect weather condition for a Carrera 4. So I'll see you in the car. So we are in Sport Plus. Traction control is off, dampers are soft, and it's remarkable how good this car grips on this underground. On the throttle and out the corner. Oh, it works so well, it's insane. Just turn in. This car has so much grip, and honestly it might look fast, but it it feels so manageable when you're actually in the car. This is truly insane. This car can do it all. Doesn't matter if it's nice sunny weather, sporty drive on a mountain pass, if it's fully raining in the Dolomites, this car has done it all. And yeah, for what it is, a base model essentially, with the wide body, with the all-wheel drive system, this is, yeah, plenty fast enough for me. But now I'm gonna give you a rundown of what it has been like to drive the Carrera 4 on a daily basis. First of all, let's talk about reliability. The car has worked every single day. I haven't had any major issues. I have heard a slight ticking noise. I took it into the dealership and they replaced the high pressure pump. Otherwise, my front axle was leaking at some point and they fixed that. Then I've had a brake light failure. So in the spoiler, there's another brake light, because if the spoiler raises up, then the brake light in the rear grille is covered by the spoiler, so integrated into the spoiler is another brake light, and that stopped functioning. So I had that replaced on approved warranty. But other than these simple things, the car has been super reliable, no issues. And you have seen the videos, the car gets driven. It is my daily driver. I use it for pretty much everything. I use it on longer journeys. I use it for sporty drives. It has been a really, really practical, pleasant overall experience. And I'm so happy to own this car. So coming to, I need to say it, the negative points that I have on the car, it's not much, but all of you guys can maybe guess it. I mean, everyone who drives this car notices it right away. It's the long gearing. Coming out of a tight corner, driving in second gear, you don't really have torque if you don't drive the corner fast enough so that you're high up in the revs, and if you really want to get the power down out of the corner, you'd actually have to change into first gear. That is something that I would really like to change. I would love to have a second gear that goes up to 100 kph and a third that goes to, I don't know, 140 or something like that. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but that's a small thing if you look at the full package that this car really offers. That sound when you go down into first. That's actually where I feel like the car sounds the most GT3-ish. If you approach a hairpin and you push it into first gear and it does the auto blip, you hear the throttle body opening up, it revs so fast and so freely. It's, yeah, that's really where you get the most GT3-like feel in this car. But let's not talk all too much about the GT3 feeling. It's a Carrera 4. It is the everyday Porsche, and that's really where this car has its strengths. The auto blip feature is just so nice in this car. And the sound when you go up towards 7,800 RPMs, it's just so nice. Drop it 2 gears, 1 second, just hear it out a little bit. It's such a good sounding car. So yeah, the perfect all-rounder for everything. If you want to have a Porsche, if you want to get started into the Porsche world and you don't have the biggest budget, really I can always recommend you going for a 991.1. It is on the market right now, I believe, a really good deal. And for the money that you're spending, it's a little bit unmatched. I don't know what else you could buy at that price point that gives you this modern chassis, the 911 silhouette, that huge amount of grip, the great working suspension and everything. It's, for what it is, really great. With that being said, I hope you guys are all doing well. We have so much cool stuff planned. The channel is growing further. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, we have reached 100,000 subscribers. I now have the play button at home. It just feels so insane to me. Yeah, and I really wanted to say thank you so much to every single one of you guys. This is insane to me. I'm able to do so much cool stuff because of you guys. It's amazing.